On your journey of financial literacy, you should never be intimidated by anyone. Never. You see, don't be intimidated by what somebody else has. The only person who should intimidate you should be last year's version of yourself. If last year's version of yourself has more money than you have right now, that is a reason to be concerned. On your journey of financial literacy, you are going to come across something that is very important. This thing is called net worth. You see, your net worth is everything. When you see two rich people, okay, together, what makes you understand who is richer than the other is not the number of cars that they have, the number of houses that they have. What makes you understand who is richer comes down to net worth. So when you start learning about money, one of the first things that you understand, there are 3 levels of understanding of net worth. 3 levels. The first level, what you understand first is that net worth means everything. Because that's the apple to apples, oranges to oranges comparison of rich people. Okay? That is what you know. That's how you are able to use to measure your progress financially. So you realize that net worth is everything. The second level of understanding is that you realize that net worth means nothing. It's simply what you are worth. You could be worth $1 billion, but you don't have it in cash. So second level understanding people understand that net worth means nothing because you don't have it in cash. Now the third stage of understanding of net worth is that as you go further in, you realize that net worth means everything. Because what second stage people don't understand is that net worth, even though you don't have it in cash, that is what the market is willing to pay you if you stopped playing. That is what the market is willing to give you if you said, I won't play again. That is what the market is willing to pay you. So net worth is everything. And your own net worth is very important to you because it is something you have to know. You have to measure yourself every year and know that it's your net worth getting better. Don't let anybody intimidate you. Don't let anybody worry you. What is important to you is your own net worth. How do you calculate your net worth? Now, you take everything that you own, okay, and subtract everything that you owe. If you don't owe anyone, that is your net worth. And your happiness, your progress financially should always come back, right, to how much you are worth every single year. Are you worth better next year than this year? That is the most important thing to you. Don't let anybody stress you. Don't let anybody worry you. My name is Adnan Sadi.